Hello YouTubers, this is xxxBEASTxxxful. Today I'm gonna show you my minigun.
Pretty little liars.
Oh, my minigun. Sorry if that was my sister. Hang on, let me get it. I don't know if you can see this. This is it. It's got the handle, the holder. This handle. We got this little back holder thing. It's unfinished. Just showing you what I have so far. So I have all the tubes. Scoot over a little bit. Seeing your face. Don't look at her face. It's ugly. I'm just kidding. Anyway, yeah. I have the handle and the thing. And it's gonna be a minigun. I'm still not done. I'm gonna put like little paper rings around here, like on the real gun. And if you're gonna try to make this, you need a lot of tape. It has to be really sturdy. So I hope y'all enjoyed my minigun. See you next time. Deuces.